Hi, leopards. Today we are going to learn how to use Chrome Music Lab to practice body percussion. Body percussion is when we use the parts of our body to make rhythms. So you can stomp, you can clap, you can pat your shoulders, you can pat your lap, and those are all different ways to use our body for percussion. So first thing I'm going to do is share my screen with you, and we're going to go to Chrome Music Lab and learn how to do it. So when you first get to Chrome Music Lab, you have to select this one. It's called Rhythm, and it has a pink and yellow monkey playing a timpani drum. So click that. And that's the first thing you'll see, but I want you to go to the next slide or the next set of instruments with the blue monsters. These are the ones that work best for using body percussion. So what I want you to do is I want you to make sure that at the bottom of each line is a dot. Okay, so there's another one there, and one there. And that is going to give us our stomps, okay? So please stomp along. Stomp, 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 stomp. You get the idea, right? It's a steady beat for your feet. Next, we're going to add something, and I'm going to choose a really simple thing to put in the middle. So I'm going to let one beat go by and then have a blue dot. And I'm going to have another blue dot. Let's see here. I'm going to go there and there, okay? So now I'm going to try to keep stomping my feet on the orange dots, but then I'm going to try to clap my hands on the blue dots. It's okay if you want to let let the playhead go by one time to listen to it and then start. So I'm going to do that right now. Here I go. Stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, clap. And that's pretty much it. I want you to have fun with it. I want you to try different combinations of these dots, and I hope that you enjoy it. One thing you can also do is just to click all the dots on top, and it kind of helps you keep the time because it's a nice steady beat that goes in between the steady beat. So here we go. Check this out. All right, that's it. Have fun. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to hearing about it in class after winter break or midwinter break.